Okay, July 6th. How to make DMT. 3 separate methods. What is DMT? DMT is all around us. DMT, dimethyltryptamine, is one of the most profound and well-known psychedelics on Earth. This powerful psychedelic is surprisingly easy to make. The simplest method is to extract it from DMT-containing plants, but it can also be synthesized from a commercially available ingredient with a rudimentary understanding of chemistry and access to some fairly basic lab equipment. In this guide, we'll cover 3 distinct methods for making 2 different kinds of DMT. We'll cover the natural extraction method, synthesizing 5-MeO DMT, the Hamilton-Morris style, and cover a method for making double N-DMT. So what is DMT? DMT stands for dimethyltryptamine. It is one of the most simple psychedelics on a molecular level, but among the most profound in terms of the experience that it produces. There are a few different methods of acquiring DMT, and the most common are NN-DMT and 5-MeO DMT. Other forms exist as well, but produce a very different experience, such as 4-ACO DMT, more similar to psilocybin than actual DMT, 5-bromo DMT, very, very mild psychoactive effects, and 4-OH DMT, the chemical name for psilocin. These compounds are technically a form of DMT, but are considered an entirely different class than double N-DMT or 5-MeO DMT. The most common method of using DMT is in the form of ayahuasca, double N-DMT, or the Bufo alvarius toad, 5-MeO DMT. Both are traditional sources used by shamans to occasion mystical experiences for the sake of healing and exploration. DMT can also be smoked or vaped, inducing a very powerful and short-lived psychedelic experience. Some studies have shown that DMT is able to reliably induce mystical experiences, offering value towards dislodging deeper psychological trauma, confronting truths, healing mental illness, and so forth. DMT is being explored as a treatment for existential anxiety, depression, addiction, anxiety, migraine, headaches, and much, much more. How do we extract this stuff? The easiest way to make it is to extract it from a plant, and the most common plant used is called Mimosa hostilis, and it's a root bark, which is readily available online. Most plant sources do contain double N-DMT rather than 5-MeO DMT or other psychedelic tryptamines. There are other sources that can be used as well. Acacia confusa, Psychotria viridis, and much more. You can run extraction using very simple materials and big box store products. We're going to need Mimosa hostilis or Acacia confusa. We're going to need a non-polar solvent such as naphtha or white gas. There's distilled water, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, 5% distilled white vinegar, along with some gloves, goggles, pipettes, coffee filters, beakers, jars, grinders, and blenders. Okay? More to come.